Even though I feel like this video has been done to death a bit on YouTube, I thought I would show you what I do anyway to use up all the citrus peels that end up going through the kitchen. Instead of throwing them away, I fill a what's the word I'm looking for? A bottle half full of vinegar, and then over the next week or month, however long it takes me to fill up the entire pot, any citrus peels I get, be it lemon, satsuma or orange, goes straight into here and sits in there until the whole thing is full. I'll leave it there for a month, sometimes a month and a half, and then at the end you should have a really concentrated solution which will look a little bit more like honey than vinegar. You just want to wait until you've filled up the whole thing, then pour it out, and don't be surprised if it does look a little bit treacly, because it is going to be very thick and very, very concentrated. And it should look a little bit like honey. Normally by the time I've strained it, I find that it's so concentrated that I can barely smell the vinegar smell. But if you want, you can also try a few other combinations. You could add mint or rosemary, or if you want to make sure that you can't smell the vinegar at all, try using lemon peels instead of orange. I think you'll find it comes out much stronger than if you use orange. Once that's all been strained, I keep that underneath the sink for whatever I want to make, and most of the time this gets used to make a spray for cleaning things around the house like the windows. This will normally be half the bottle or 1/4 of the bottle with vinegar, and then the rest is water, and then I just use that around the house. It's very, very simple, and hopefully you haven't already seen a video like this and you find it useful.
All of this love.